Welcome to the Parsetalent with Zoho Recruit demo video. Parsetalent enhances your Zoho Recruit experience by streamlining essential recruitment tasks, such as parsing CVs, refining detailed job descriptions, and seamlessly identifying the most suitable candidates for your roles. Access the Parsetalent module. Open Zoho Recruit and locate the Parsetalent module. Click on the module and create a new record. Open the record and navigate to the Parsetalent tab to access the CV Parser interface. Sign up with Parsetalent. Click the Sign Up Through Zoho button. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter your Zoho credentials. Click Accept to proceed. This action will redirect you to the Parsetalent website within the pop-up window. Your first name, last name, and email ID will be pre-filled, and email ID is non-editable. Complete the remaining fields and click Create Account. Check your email for a verification link and verify your email to complete the sign-up process. Verify your phone number log into Parsetalent using your newly created credentials. Using the Parsetalent extension, enter your Parsetalent credentials and click Submit. You will now access the Parsetalent for Zoho Recruit extension interface, which provides three main services: CV Parser, JD Parser, Candidate Matching. Let's explore each service, starting with the CV Parser. Upload the CV you want to parse by clicking Upload CV. Click Parse CV to extract structured data. Edit the parsed data as needed, ensuring to round up fractional numbers in the experience field. Click Add to Zoho Recruit to save the new candidate's information to the Candidates module of Zoho Recruit. A new candidate, Divyansh Bajaj, has been added to the Candidate module in Zoho Recruit with all parse details displayed in a structured format. Click Parse Existing CV to analyze an already uploaded resume. If a resume isn't uploaded, click Upload Resume to add it. Select a candidate to view their parsed information. Edit the parsed data as required before saving. Let's explore the JD Parser. The JD Parser simplifies job description management, allowing recruiters to easily extract, analyze, and store job data. This feature enhances the accuracy of job postings and streamlines the recruitment process within Zoho Recruit. Click on the Parse JD button to begin. Enter the job title and job description you want to parse, then click Submit. Review the parse data and make edits as needed to ensure accuracy. Click Add to Zoho Recruit to save this job in the Job Openings module. The job will now appear in the Job Openings module of Zoho Recruit. You can click on the job in Zoho Recruit to view the details added to the respective fields. Let's explore the candidate matching process in Zoho Recruit. Go to the Candidates module, select the candidates you want to match with the job. Click on Assign to Job. Click Choose Job Opening and fill in the application status. Select the job from the job list. Click Associate to link the selected candidates to the chosen job. Go to the Parsetalent module and open the record. Click on the Candidate Matching button to continue. You will now see a list of jobs from your Zoho Recruit job opening module. Select the job and click on it. Choose the associated candidates you want to evaluate. Click on Submit Selected Candidates. You will see two lists: fit and unfit candidates. Click on the application status to change the status of candidates. The candidate details will now appear in the Associated Candidates module of Zoho Recruit. This completes the process of using the Candidate Matching extension.